Hi, this is Vincent from MarineMax in Clearwater, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Harris 22-foot cruiser. This particular Harris is powered by a Mercury 150 horsepower 4-stroke motor. You'll notice on this particular model there is an extended swim platform. As you walk through and enter the cockpit, you'll notice plenty of lounge seating with nice overhead cover provided by the Bimini. Moving forward to the Helm Seat, we have a Simrad G05 Polk audio stereo Bluetooth capability. We have our port side entry and exit way. Moving up to the bow, we have twin loungers with plenty of sun. And then we have the bow entryway. If you'd like to learn more about this particular Harris float boat or any of our other boats, please visit us at www.marinemax.com, or you can reach me on my cell phone at area code 803-760-0609. Thank you for joining me.